Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can make the color correction in VN editor. So in the last class, we have covered these all options. So now we are going to move this. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to click on this option. So as you can see, after clicking on this option, here you will be able to see all the filters here. For example, if you want to apply this one, you can also do that. Or if you want to apply this one, you can also do that. So as you can see, these all filters are provided here. You just have to use them. You have to click on that filter. For example, if you want to use this one, you can use these all filters are provided here. First of all, you have to review them, and after reviewing these all filter, you can choose any one from them. So in this way, you can apply the filter. As you can see, here's the option for the 8. So we have to click on the 8. And after clicking on the 8, as you can see, here are some other filters are provided here. Like if as you can see the C1, C2, C3. For example, if I want to apply this one, so I'm going to click on this. Let's click on this. And after clicking on this, you will be able to add this. If you want to search any kind of filter, you can also do that. You have to click on the search, and after clicking on the search, we have to write the name. For example, I'm going to write the warm here, so let's write the warm, and then press the enter. And after pressing the enter, it will take few seconds of minutes in searching, and you will be able to use that filter. So I'm going to cut this one, and after cutting this, as you can see, all the filters are here. If you want to decrease the intensity, you can also do that. As you can see, in this way, you can decrease the intensity of the filter as well. So in this way, you can use the filter in video. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the filter in VN. So see you guys in the next video.